Good morning. Welcome to Breakfast with John. I hope you're having a great breakfast or you had a great breakfast. I'm having some coconut yogurt, which I really like a lot. So coconut yogurt is basically when they take coconut and they add friendly bacteria to it the same way you would with milk to make yogurt, and you make coconut yogurt. But it doesn't have the same problems that dairy does because it's not pasteurized. It's not recognized in your stomach and to your body as a toxin. It doesn't cause an immune response. It doesn't cause leaky gut syndrome and all the different inflammatory problems that dairy causes, and it tastes great. So I like coconut yogurt, and I'm putting on it a couple of things I like a lot: tahini, some ground chia seeds, some cacao nibs, some blueberries, some bananas, some nuts. It's coconut yogurt crunch. It's really fabulous. So I definitely suggest that you try coconut yogurt, see what you think. So some good news today. There's some hard evidence linking meditation with weight loss. It's an indirect link, but when you connect the dots, it's very definite. And that is that they discovered that meditation switches off the genes involved in inflammation. And as we've talked about many times, it's the inflammatory hormones, what are known as pro-inflammatory cytokines, that activate your fat programs that cause leptin and insulin resistance, put your body into fat storage mode. So this is some really hard evidence to show that meditation directly, at a genetic level, helps you lose weight. So meditation is, one form of meditation is the visualizations that you're doing. Meditation is sitting, going into the alpha and the theta state of consciousness, what we call smart mode. When you do that, over time, you get better and better at it. Stress response goes down. It switches on all these reparatory hormones and genes, and again, reduces inflammation, which is perfect for weight loss. So what I would recommend is that in the mornings after your visualization, sit for another few minutes and just be in that meditative state. It will do enormous things for turning off your fat switch, making you more calm, happier, clearer, repairing your body, curing you of other illnesses, and helping you in many other areas of your life. So that's it for today. I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, give me a call. Otherwise, I'll speak to you soon. Take care.